Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Terrace and Christian TV. So we are now here Trinidad, town of Trinidad. So some site viewing of property for sale. So this property is for sale. So the lot area is 4.3 hectares, and then inside the property has a fish pond. This one fish pond, and then a lot of coconut trees, and then 13 fully grown mango trees, um, lots of any hardwood. It means the son of the owner, but the owner is still alive. This is titled property. So inside the property you have lots of lumber, lots of lumber trees, lots of, you have Jimelina, laurel, bamboo trees. You have also rice field, but yeah, it's not irrigated, it's rain fed. So we go look inside. So by the way guys, this is beside a seashore, but you don't see any sand in here because at the front of the seashore is a lot of mangroves. So but this is big lot, and then the price for this property is 50 pesos per square meter, but very negotiable guys. So very big lot, flat area, flat terrain. So here is the boundary, this one. So this is the fish pond, and then that will be the seashore. But yeah, as you can see, there are lots of mangroves. There's a river by there. So the water will go flow to the river during the harvesting time. And then this is included with the property. So going straight over there. So don't forget to subscribe my channel guys, Terrace and Christian TV. So I'm back with the new listing, new property for sale. So come on, be the one of my clients, and then just plan with your investment. So see you guys, and thank you for watching.